If you want to lose weight, then this video is just for you. You might be searching on Google or watching several videos over YouTube about how to lose weight quickly. Now you are at the right place. We are presenting Lecaria Lean Belly Juice, popularly known as the Fizzy Juice. Now get rid of stubborn fat and achieve the lean belly you've always wanted. It removes destructive ceramide compounds. You must have heard a lot about this trending juice in the health world called Lecaria Lean Belly Juice. It's time for you to learn about the ancient Lecaria plant and the amazing effects it has on your body. Besides the Lecaria plant, the Lecaria Lean Belly Juice includes only the highest quality ingredients. This juice is a potent blend of exotic nutrients specially developed to rid your body of the recently discovered root cause of stubborn fat buildup, ceramide-destroying compounds. Lecaria Lean Belly Juice has a perfect blend of exotic herbs nutrients that is specially designed to get rid of stubborn fat buildup, ceramide-destroying compounds. So what is this new Lecaria Lean Belly Juice? This powerful and proven blend of especially discovered exotic nutrients around the world is specifically developed for stubborn fat accumulation, which is the prime cause of obesity. If you want to safely and quickly lose weight, increase energy, and feel great, you can drink Lecaria Lean Belly Juice every day and follow the Lecaria Lean Belly program. Does the Lean Belly Juice work? As the world's leading nutritionist, Dr. David Katz, said, the Lecaria Lean Belly Juice contains a potent blend of exotic herb nutrients that is specifically discovered to get rid of stubborn fat buildup, and also destroy ceramide compounds that are harmful. The creator of Lecaria Lean Belly Juice claims that this helps in removing ceramides and renews your body from within. What this Lean Belly Juice will do for you? Lecaria Lean Belly Juice is a powerful blend of exotic nutrients specially developed to release. These ceramides are a molecule your body creates to repair tissue and are found in plenty in your connective body tissue, like your skin, the brain, body joints, and connective tissue. Ceramides are responsible for the formation of plaque in your arteries, which can lead to heart disease and diabetes. How long does the Lean Belly Juice take to work? Lecaria's Lean Belly Juice is prepared by blending 2.5 ripe bananas, half a cup of lemon juice, half a cup of lime juice, half a cup of orange juice, and half a cup of pineapple juice. Is Lecaria Lean Belly Juice 100% natural? Lecaria Lean Belly Juice is 100% natural and is the perfect solution for those who want to quickly and safely reduce stubborn fat on the body. The Lecaria Lean Belly Juice flushes out these damaging compounds for the ultimate detoxification, anti-aging, and anti-wrinkle benefits. This comes ready in both a juice and a powder form. The Lecaria Lean Belly Juice is claimed 100% natural and is great for anyone looking to lose weight, increase energy, and improve their health. The Lecaria Lean Belly Juice is assured by a 100% money-back guarantee. Final words about Fizzy Juice. With Lecaria, you'll be able to rid your body of stubborn fat, improve your energy levels, and reduce inflammation, all while feeling great and getting the nutrients you need. Check the link in the video description to know more.